Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how to use WooCommerce for marketing on Pinterest automatically. Now this is a very useful and very amazing automation. Now what we are doing here, you all know about WooCommerce. We are going to add a new product in our WooCommerce, and whenever we are going to add a new product on our WooCommerce, the image of that product will be used on our Pinterest account automatically for the marketing purposes. So what will happen? Whenever we are going to post a new product, the people on Pinterest account will see that product, will follow that product, and if they will like that product, they are gonna buy that product directly from the Pinterest using the link we are going to provide. So we are going to use here WooCommerce and Pinterest, and now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect WooCommerce and Pinterest automatically. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to type in pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this page when we will press enter. Here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in, and here I will just go for login. And as soon as I will do that, you can see here are some of my softwares. Now here I'm just going to go for access now for Pabbly Connect. Now what will happen, a new window will open in few seconds, few milliseconds, and here you can see I have all these automations already made here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new workflow to create a new automation. So here I am going to click on create workflow, and now here I am going to give my workflow a name. Okay, so now we have to give it a name, so we are giving it WooCommerce to Pinterest. Okay, now click on create or press enter, and here you can see you will have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Now what we have to do, we have to select WooCommerce here, and after that what we are doing in WooCommerce, we are creating a new product. So we are going to go for new product created. Okay, now here you can see we have a webhook URL. Now what is this webhook URL? Now webhook URL will help us connect our WooCommerce to our Pabbly Connect account, so that whenever we will do anything in WooCommerce about any product, adding any product, deleting any product or something like that, that response will be redirected to our Pabbly Connect account, and that response will be captured here. Okay, now here what we are doing new product created. So new product, whenever the new product will be created, you will have the new product created response here through this webhook URL. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go for WooCommerce, and here you have to follow these steps to connect your WooCommerce account to your Pabbly Connect account. So you can see here it is written, navigate to your left sidebar, WooCommerce settings, go to advanced tab, then webhooks, then click add webhooks button, then the webhook data box appears. So let us do this much first. Go to settings. Oh, where is settings? Okay, this is settings. After going to settings, go to advanced. This is advanced, and here go for webhooks. This is webhooks. And then it is asking us to add a new webhook, so just go for add new webhook. And now here you can see all the fields present, so just give it this name. I will just give it WooCommerce to Pinterest. Status is active. Topic, so what is the topic? We are creating a new product, so we will go for product created. You can see here also it is written choose the topic as product created. Okay, so go for product created here. Delivery URL. Now in this delivery URL field, you have to copy this webhook URL, and after copying this webhook URL, you have to paste it in delivery URL field. Now secret, you do not have to fill that. API version will remain as it is, and then we will click on save webhook. Now as soon as you will click on save webhook, you will see that our WooCommerce is directly now connected to our Pabbly Connect account, and now it is waiting for the webhook response. So here you can see the webhook response is webhook ID. So we will just go on recapture webhook response. And now we are going to create a product in WooCommerce. So here this is WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce. Then go to products, add new. And after going to add new, you have to give the name of the product. So I am giving the name as digital marketing course. Okay. So I'm just giving the name as digital marketing course. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to give the description. So I'm not giving a very long description here, just short one to save time. You can give any description you want. So digital marketing course for sale, or let us do this digital marketing course worth $1,000 for sale at $100 today. Offer valid till 24 hours from now. Okay, so this is the description I'm giving to my digital marketing course tutorial product. And now what we are going to do, we are going to go and put regular price as 1000, sale price as 100. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to go here and we are going to set a product image. So I'm just going to take an image from my computer. And here I will just go for this one. This is the perfect image for digital marketing. So this is the image. Now we are just going to click on set product image. So you can see this is the product image. So I have filled in everything which was required. And now I will click on publish. And now as soon as I will click on publish, you will see that a new digital marketing course has been published, and you can see this is the link. And when I will open it, you can see digital marketing course. Okay, I'm really sorry. This is 1000. This is showing 1000 rupees because I'm from India. So I should have written here 1000 rupees instead of dollars. But let it go. We are done. We are not going to do that again. You can do it carefully while you are doing it. Now what I have to do, I have to see if I received a webhook response or not. And you can see I have a webhook response here. And this is the ID. This is the name. This is the permanent link from where we are going to go to the course. And these are some other informations about our product. Okay. So our first step of connecting our digital marketing course tutorial from our WooCommerce to our Pabbly Connect account is completed, which means our WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect account is now connected to each other. Now what we are going to do, we are going to choose our next application, and our next application is Pinterest. So here we are going to go for our next application, Pinterest. But before we do that, let me tell you one more thing. Because in Pinterest, we have to use our description, which is this. Okay. But whenever we are going to use the description, you can see these are some tags which will be present there if we will use this. So what we are going to do before choosing our next application, we are going to use a feature by Pabbly which is known as text formatter. And here what we are going to do, we are going to use text basic formatting and then connect. Now what I am going to do here, I am just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and I will take this data from this window and I will put it here directly. So I'll map that data here, which was this digital marketing course. And in transform, I am just going to remove all the HTML tags. So I'll just go and click on remove HTML tags. and then I will click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see digital marketing course worth $1,000 for sale at $100 today, offer valid till 24 hours from now. Okay, so I have removed all the HTML tags from my text or from my description, and now what I am going to do, I am going to choose Pinterest from here. Okay, so let's just go for Pinterest. And now here what we are doing, we are creating a new pin. So just click on create pin and click on connect. Now here just go for add new connection, connect with Pinterest, give the authorization to your Pabbly Connect so that it can access the Pinterest account. And let me tell you that your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. It does not take any chances with your data. Now here I have two boards in my Pinterest. First one is all pins, second one is Pabbly. So I'm just going to choose my Pinterest Pabbly here. And now here, image URL. So what is the image URL? Again, we are going to use the mapping technique here. And from mapping technique, we are going to use the image URL. So image URL was, let me just search it. So this is the image source, images 0 src. This is our image URL. So go for that. Then it is asking us for the title. So our title was digital marketing course. Description. So we are going to take the description from this text formatter. Alt text. We do not want to put any alt text. And here in link, I am just going to use my permalink, which I told you through which we can directly go to the WooCommerce page. So let me just search that permalink here. It should be here. Date. Okay, so this is our permalink. Just select this and click on save and send test request. Now, as soon as you will click on save and send test request, you will see here we have a new post, and you can see this is the description created at title, link, etc, etc. Now I'm just going to go to Pinterest and then I'll click on Pabbly, and here you can see we have a new pin. And this is the new pin. As soon as we will click on this new pin, you can see this is digital marketing course worth $1,000 for sale at $100 today. Offer valid till 24 hours from now. Okay. And if I want to go directly to that page to buy, I can just click on this link, which is my permanent link. And here you can see I will be redirected to my WooCommerce page where I am selling this product. And again, I'm saying I'm really sorry for this ₹100 or ₹1,000. I did not pay attention to that, but whenever you are creating, just pay attention to the currency you are using, okay? So this is how, my friends, you can connect your WooCommerce to your Pinterest so that whenever you have a new product in your WooCommerce, you can just market it directly into your Pinterest account, and people can see that product image in Pinterest and can then buy it directly from your WooCommerce through Pinterest. And whenever a new product is created in your WooCommerce, it will automatically be marketed on your Pinterest account. So this automation is very useful and very successful. If you want to use this, you can just go to my description box and clone this automation into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.